Can you believe it? Like, I actually bought a microphone. No, that's unreal. Seriously, like, did I really get a microphone? How? What? No way. Really? Okay, let's get to the unboxing. What's up, everyone? I'm Joe. If you're new, I make photography, filmmaking, and art content. And if you're not, welcome back. So yeah, finally I bought a microphone. Can you believe it? It always seemed impossible around my channel to buy a shotgun microphone for my camera, and I finally did it. And honestly, I am pretty satisfied with myself. I finally accomplished a milestone. Now out to the next milestone. We'll see what this will be about. But for now, let's unbox the microphone. And just quickly before we start, I want to tell you about my Instagram. I post photography content on there, so if you're interested in some photography or you want to get inspired, you can check out my Instagram, link in the description. Here's my username, and maybe while you're scrolling down there, you can leave a like on this video. It helps me a lot. And if you're new, you can subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this kind of content. Let me show you what mic I got. Okay, this is the microphone. So we're gonna do the unboxing and then we'll do some test runs with the microphone and we'll see, we'll judge. It's a pretty interesting microphone. I'll get to the descriptions in a little bit, and it's pretty affordable. Let's just read some things quickly. So the features of this, it's a Boya microphone, BY-VM600 shotgun microphone. Comes with a hot shoe, obviously, so you can mount it on your camera. It's a directional shotgun style microphone, captures the audio in your frame while rejecting unwanted background noise. That's exactly what I want. Premium microphone capsule for clear, precise audio. Works with cameras with standard 3.5mm, the regular input jack. Powered design maximizes compatibility and sound quality. Built-in shock mount minimizes unwanted vibrations to microphone. It's also what we want. Windscreen lowers wind noise and protects from small bumps. I'm guessing this is the windscreen. And it might be coming with a DEADCAT. You'll see that in a bit. And so the specs, it's a condenser microphone. Shotgun microphones basically are composed of a condenser. They have a cardioid polar pattern, and the reason they call it cardioid because the surrounding of the microphone is almost shaped like a heart. Frequency response from 35 to 18 kilohertz. That's good for the low end. It can capture good low end. So it does have phantom power built in. Power supply, it does need a 1.5 volt battery, which could be the AA battery. Pad switch, 0 dB, 10 dB. Oh, so you can get a boost of a 10 dB for bypass, a 3.5mm jack. It has a low cut filter switch, so if you don't want low end, you can also, it has a switch. You can cut the low end. So the low end is basically the deep frequencies, the low frequencies of a deep voice deep. Which is also the bass if you want, so it's low frequency. It's 171mm, so it's 20 centimeters. It does not peek over the lens, that's good. And it's 95 grams, that's pretty light. If you want to vlog with it, it could be decent, it's not too heavy. So this is the box. Okay, so it's obviously manufactured in China. Some people say that it's really close to the Rode microphone quality. I hope it is. Let's get to the unboxing. Packaging, good, nicely presented for now. Let's see what's inside. Open box. Okay, so we got instructions for beginners. Oh, it also has an LED indicator if you want to see if it's on or not. It has low filter switch, microphone boost, and the power switch. And here it is. Let's get it out. It's a pretty, it is a shotgun. It can capture from both sides and from the front mostly as well. You might be able to capture some ambience with it. I'm not sure. We can test it later on for some sound effect, for some Foley maybe. I'm gonna have to do a separate video about that. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you're subscribing, or to stay tuned, you can ring the notification bell so you get notified about it. We have the 3.5 jack. You can see right there the name. You have the on and off switch, the boost switch, and the low end cut switch. I'm not sure about this one. I don't know for what kind of scenarios they could be useful. If you want to get a crisper sound, you can remove it as well. And it feels heavy duty. It does not feel cheap. It has a battery compartment. You can place a battery. Unfortunately, it does not come with a battery, so you have to get a AA battery. I found one laying around the house. What else comes in the box? We have a DEADCAT. Some people will definitely like the DEADCAT, you know, just be careful for people to not come and pet your microphone. I don't know if I'm gonna have to put it over this or I'm gonna remove it and place it right here. Yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Oh, it's quickly removable. Yeah, but I think I prefer putting this one instead. We'll test both of them. Does anything else come in the... Oh yes, we have a pouch if you want to carry your microphone around. You can close it if you want to carry your microphone. I don't know if you're with sounds, if you like recording sounds, for example, you want to carry it. Yeah, that's a good... It fits in perfectly. Obviously, it's made for it. So, oh, and I forgot to mention, the microphone has a tripod mounting thread. So this one fits in a tripod. So if you want to record audio only, if you're a singer or maybe you like recording sounds, it's a good starting point. And it starts at $75, which is pretty good for a shotgun microphone. And with all these switches, you can get a boost, you can get a low cut. It's like a mixer on the shotgun microphone. One thing I don't like about it is that you gotta get a AA battery. AA batteries can be found anywhere, unlike the small plate batteries, which are hard to find. Shall we get to the testing? Let's go. So we're gonna do a quick sound test, first with the internal microphone on the camera, and then we're gonna try the shotgun microphone with the worst case scenarios that you can possibly record it with, you know, with some shakes and some wind and stuff. We're gonna see how it will fight those conditions. Okay, let's do some tests. This is the sound you're hearing from my camera, completely without any microphone. And obviously, you might have heard it in my previous videos if you watch my channel. And I know it sounds crappy. This is the sound you're hearing from the shotgun microphone, the Boya BY-VM600. I don't know if it catches any background noise or some, you know, my bracelets. They do sound a bit loud. When you're using it, make sure you adjust the levels on your camera based on how far you're standing from the shotgun microphone. But if you're using it for some vlogs, you can obviously lower the density of the levels. Right now I have it at 12. I don't know what unit it is, but it depends on how much far you're standing. So right now I'm about 1.5 meters far from my camera, and I hope it does catch my voice very precisely, my articulations, the beating of my lips, the low end in my voice. One thing though, I have my light here. It does have a fan and it does sound pretty loud sometimes. I don't know if the shotgun microphone will catch the noise of it. Hopefully not, but I'm sure it will do a great job. Right now I have the DEADCAT on my shotgun microphone. I will call my little bro to come and blow at the shotgun microphone. We'll see if it will reduce the noise. Let's do it. Do it hard. Now let's see without the DEADCAT. Remove the DEADCAT. Now blow, but be careful. Yeah, I think a little bit of noise ruins everything. This is with the low filter cut on. I don't know what it does. I think it will cut the low frequencies. Although I don't like this very much, I do hope it might still sound good as the previous audio. This is with the 10 dB boost on. Might sound very loud because 10 dB is a lot. I'll try to lower my voice down. I'll see if it can capture a deeper tone. Maybe it catches them very precisely. Yeah, it's a bit loud. It might be catching some background noise as well. Maybe the light, maybe some sound out there, maybe my arms, maybe my breath. features on this microphone. I'm gonna check the footage out, listen to the audio, and see which one sounds good, and I'll get back at you. So I'm gonna get a bit close to the microphone and see if it might sound good for vlogging. I still have the same settings on. It might sound a bit loud, but we'll see. I'm gonna lower a bit my voice. We'll see if it can capture some nice detailed frequencies in my voice. So if I would be vlogging, the sound would come out like this, with a bit of tweaking, of course. Hopefully it does not capture some background noise. I'm gonna shake my camera a bit to see if the shock mount works. You know, if you want to adjust some settings on the camera, the shutter buttons on your camera, for example, they will come out in the sound of your camera. Pretty good microphone, to be honest. I just listened to the audio. Let me get you back there, wait. So overall, this microphone comes at 75 bucks. It's a great deal for what it gives. That's amazing. The sound is very good. It's really crisp. But one thing I have to mention is that it does not totally have phantom power, because I noticed it has a slight hum in the low end, so maybe that's why they made the low end filter cutter thing. But it's not a big deal. It can be fixed in post. It's not really that loud. However, it's very nice. It's very usable for vlogs. It's perfect. You can also use it for recording some sound effects, some Foley effects. You might be able to use it for some film shooting. Maybe you can use it for a microphone as a boom pole. It does have the mounting thread, so that's great. You can use it for singing. It has perfect mids. It can capture great articulations. Overall, great microphone. You get a DEADCAT and a pouch. So I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to get one. You can find great deals. It gets pretty cheap. You might find good alternatives as well, but make sure you research before. And so great. Right now I don't have to worry about, you know, bad audio or anything. I have a great mic for vlogging, for some shoots. Finally, I can get, I don't need this. I have a microphone. No, maybe I do need this because I'm really far from the camera. You know, I'll just. So that does it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, please leave a like on this video, thumbs up. If you're looking for a microphone, this one is a great starter microphone. It has all the tweaks that you need. And if you're new, if you like this type of content, you can subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of this content, especially in terms of art. And tell me if you want to see more gear reviews, because I'm thinking of improving my gear a bit more. Maybe we can test them along the way as well. Please tell me if you want to see more gear reviews in the comments below, or if you have any other video ideas that you'd like me to maybe try out. You can also tell me in the comments below. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Powered design maximizes Powered design maximizes compatibility and compatibility. Man, this thing is so fluffy. Like, oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Yeah, you can try. Be careful. You have allergies. Be careful. No, you cannot get close to it. It was a mistake. You shouldn't have got closer to it. You got allergies. Don't tell anyone. Okay?